It's literally pitch black outside. 5:19 right now. Let's get this hike started. Packing things in my professional hiking bag. This is Gregory brand from REI. Today's outfit is in a little pain. I don't think it's keeping up with all the activities that I'm doing. One coffee going on over here. We're gonna pour it in this. We finally got a very nice little coffee place. Another coffee going up right here. They're all Armenian coffee. It's time to fill up the bladder. Today, instead of waking up at 5:30, I got up at 5:15 and it helped so much. Now I have that 15 minutes to have breakfast before my boyfriend gets here. Breakfast this morning. Oh, look at that with my vitamins. We are on our way. Look at this guy. Say hello.
Hi.
He's fixing my bag and he fixed it actually. Somehow I was able to yank off like the little closing area in the front.
The little clip that holds the
water.
Yeah. Slang.
The tube. We're the leader, so we're trying to not be so late. So we're not gonna be late. Here we go. Let's go. You have something to say?
Gregory.
I know. I've showed that to them, and I did say REI.
This is terrible. This is terrible. That was so hard to get on.
Oh yeah.
It came out so easily, but it was so hard to get on.
Look, if we ever get sponsored, Gregory. Fix that.
Gregory, fix that.
Yeah. Okay,
But
let's go.
Sick backpack. Okay, we made it. Here's the trailhead right here. This is this is the start to the trailhead. Yeah, well, if you park in the upper lot. So there's an upper lot and a lower lot. We're going down to the lower lot right now. And the lower lot, it's right next to JPL here.
Yeah, we'll include the address on the bottom.
Just come down here and you park anywhere you want.
Woo! Woo!
Yep, and then you can just keep going down.
Where's the trail from?
The trail, we can go up there. There's a little, right there.
Good morning, Sunday hike. Look at these people. Hello! The camera gets to say hi to you guys first, and then we... Okay, we're waiting for some people. We are actually 18 people today. We keep getting bigger and bigger. So we got the GoPro. I'm gonna show you guys everywhere that we're going. Here's the start of the hike. Let's go. Gnatzing, let's go, let's go.
Oh, fit check. Got the Lululemon, got the Gregory pack with the bladder. GoPro mounted up. The Lululemon tights with the Hoka trail runners. Wow, fancy, huh?
She's a little drunk from last night. Just kidding. Babe, come this way.
Oh.
Okay, now your turn.
Something light today.
Dodgers won yesterday.
Got the Dodgers cap because we won game 2. Obviously, got the Costco thermal. Really nice. REI joggers with the Nike Terex hiking boots.
Are they waterproof, sir? Because they're not supposed to be.
And the Teton pack. Shout out to Teton Sports or Teton Sports.
Show the coffee that I made this morning.
And we got the coffee.
It's not spilling, right?
Not spilling at all.
Oh wow, look at that.
Beautiful. Has a little case. Has a little turntable.
Turntable.
Yeah.
That's where I was like, why is this so annoying? Is it broken?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Yes.
You guys, our first bridge of the day.
Oh, this used to be all rusty.
Yeah, they changed it, huh? Have you? Okay, you guys, once you come to this area, people are loud, which I love. We are gonna make a left. So that's the, Upper Brown Mountain. Oh, I think this is the one that if you go up all the way, you just see the view, right? You see, babe, that's the one you go up, you see the view of the Brown Mountain. Bridge number 3, or 4. 4 or 3. 4. Okay, you guys, we are meeting again to two directions and make a right, whatever that means to you. Make a right.
Means make a right.
Make a right, yes. Here we go.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
You guys, this is what we're into. This is what me and Mike are into. 100%. Look at this. Checking the quality. Very good. Woo-hoo. Everyone's just watching me swing. Yay. Okay, you guys, another bridge. This is beautiful. Look at that.
Oh, more.
Make it into Viking name, why don't you?
Oh yeah,
Viking.
Sure.
Yeah.
We have been hiking now for 2.85 miles, almost 3 miles, and it's been about an hour and a half, guys.
We'll
And
keep stopping, you know.
we keep stopping, yes, but
Take pictures.
I'm kind of worried that we're gonna have another like 2 hours to go and the people are gonna be pissed, but I think we're gonna be okay so far.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
So we have been hiking for 2 hours now. It's calling it 2. And it's almost 4 miles now. 4 miles. Woohoo. Here we go. My GoPro died, I think, or it overheated, either or. Well, we got most of the road and now we're almost there. Look at this area. Little picnic area. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Woo! Oh my god! Okay guys, here we go! Woo! Ah! I can feel the water already! Oh my god! I can feel the water! Ah! Okay, I can do this. Oh! I feel the water already! I feel the water! Okay, you guys, we're gonna take a group photo right there. Everybody, look at this. And then we have our Teapot Bakery. Look at this. We have our coffee. We're gonna take out the cups that I brought from my bag and we're gonna enjoy. This is my favorite part. Not only we have pastry and coffee, but we also have guests who are Armenian. Some of you people who are Armenian. Anywhere in the world you go, you're gonna find an Armenian that knows an Armenian. Look at this. I can't right now. Wow. Wow. You guys, every time we're getting better and better at this. Look at this. Okay, go Chris. Look how convenient that is. Beautiful! Oh my goodness.
Okay guys, we won't do meditation, but we just wanted to thank you for your time, for your effort. Merci for organic, merci for support. We're just very, very thankful for love grouping Jared. Gara says love grouping Jared for energy network. So thank you so much for coming.
Yes, basista semtani. Manar manar manari manari kezi kurban şenere tunari tunari sari ceyran.
Good thing there's no coffee in there, guys.
Şenere tunari can ceyran sirkes kezi
من
heyran.
campground کار شاد خاطر سپیتیانی
پارسال با هم دست جمعی رفته بودیم زیارت.
وطانی
We had a quick bathroom break right over here. There's some bathrooms available. So on this hike, there's some bathrooms available right here. Show the bathrooms, babe.
There's a campground right there. Some bathrooms. Some signage for bears. Great.
لیدر جویناتلا شو تارک لیدر جویناتلا بیانک شو تارک
Norit mad leader. Norit Shorty.
Oh really? Oh really?
Watch me fall.
Yes.
Kame tek barınar ve dedeniz basın.
اینکو من چور جانا پارکا آری اساس شاتش
Thank you.
آری اسام
Okay, you guys, hour 4. It's been 4 hours. How we doing, everybody? We passed the area where we lost our minds. Now we're just aiming for the finish line. We just came back from the hike. Mike is getting settled. We put everything in the car. Honestly, don't know how I got so lucky to meet Mike, because without him, I mean, okay, look, I'm an independent woman.
Yeah,
okay,
that's for sure.
I can do it. I've been carrying coffees and everything by myself, but without him, I wouldn't be adding so many guys in this hike. So I'm just super thankful for this guy.
Oh, so that's what you want? You
Yeah,
just want to be
that's all I
surrounded by
wanted
more
from him.
men, huh?
Yeah, I wanted to be surrounded by more men.
Wow.
Like, just because the men are like the best, and like, you know, it's not like they ruin our lives.
What are you saying right now?
You guys ruin our life.
Make your lives way better
Yeah, no, you ruin our life.
by helping you and making sure that everything goes right.
Right. That's a wrap, guys. Subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and come to, what hike was this?
JPL, well, it's called Brown Mountain Dam hike.
Waterfall.
But everyone who knows it as JPL, because it's right next to Jet Propulsion Laboratories.
Yeah, and that is?
NASA.
Yes, so I didn't know. So yeah, come to our hikes if you want to. DM me on Instagram or DM Mike. But we are putting a nice group together to be camping, hiking, traveling, of course, around the Los Angeles area. And yeah, close this. Up. Okay, thank you guys for following along. I hope this video was helpful. And yeah, come and join us, right? Okay, bye.